I'm gonna present my project about the world in 20 years. Even if we cannot predict specific events in the future, it is effectively possible to identify trends that are likely to act strongly on our future. I consider 5 key drivers of change that will shape the world in 20 years. The first key is the revolution in medicine. Medicine will be revolutionize the conversion of nanotech, farm, and biotech industries. Will looking for sale life extension. Even memories will be for sale with super agility and ingest intelligence. The second point is the energy crisis. It's obvious if you think about if we are running out of fossil fuels. The clean energy that we need is all around us, in the sun, the wind, the waves. The solution of the energy crisis is complex because the problem is complex, but it must be done and quickly. The third point is the world population explosion. By 2030, there will be over 8 billion people that will be consuming the resources of our planet. This is the official estimate of the United Nations Population Division. About the food production, the genetic modifications will produce seeds that can grow in the hardest conditions. The new techniques of irrigation will be exported to the developing world to boost food production. And drinking, on the other hand, is often forecast to be in very short supply in some parts of the world. Today, over 1 billion people worldwide do not have access to clean drinking water. The water scarcity will be the cause of political and social conflicts. The fourth point is the climate change. This would be a great mistake and must not be allowed to happen. We should rename this atmospheric malady that climate disease, because there are so many variables and in the science of climate change, and because human response to the problem is a matter of social and political will. It is impossible for any futurologist to predict how the climate itself will behave. In fact, the weather in the future will be extreme. And finally, the accelerating technological change. Within a year or two of machines achieving human-level intelligence, exponential technological development means that machines will have the potential to become twice as smart as humans. Will be developed that will solve the world's demand for clean energy and perhaps even provide some degree of control over the world climate. It might even solve the drinking water shortage. To put it simple, machines are now generating value and wealth for our society, and they will generate more wealth as they become rapidly smarter. To complete this presentation, many people will be working alongside robots, especially in the caring and security professions. Our physical interface to the tools of work finally have changed. Speech recognition, retinal displays, and auto-projection displays will have replaced today's interface. In conclusion, some aspects of daily life in 20 years will seem very similar today. We will still live in houses and apartments as we do today, although older properties will have been upgraded to maximum energy efficiency, and children will still go to school because the interpersonal dynamic is a vital part of learning that cannot be replaced by verbal communication. Thanks for your attention.